It's time to craft. Let's go. Well, let's go, guys. I actually have 3 wintry Christmassy DIYs for you tonight. And in our first DIY, you see that I have this little shelf setter that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I am painting over it using the Snow White Waverly brand chalk paint. And initially I was going to use this sponge, but for some reason that sponge wasn't working in my favor, and it was adding more streaks to the paint than I liked. So I switched back to a brush, and I still wasn't totally satisfied, so I ended up getting another brush that allowed for the smooth application of this paint. I did make sure that I applied a generous amount of that Snow White paint because I did not want any of the original design to bleed through or show through. And I am just taking my heating gun and I am drying the paint really well, and that is all that I'm doing for the base of this project. So guys, I just want to welcome everybody back to the channel, all of my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. Guys, it has been at least 2 weeks since I've uploaded an actual DIY to the channel. So I wanted to hold true to what I said in last night's haul video, that I was going to upload a DIY to the channel tonight. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So again, guys, welcome to all of you. And I also want to go ahead and thank each and every one of you for your support of my channel. The channel is growing, and I cannot say thank you enough, because it was for you, and you who decided to click on that subscribe button and start following me and being a part of my YouTube journey. So thank you guys so much for your continued support of little old me, Joy. So now I am getting ready to distress this piece. If you are new to the channel, I actually love rustic decor. And so you'll see me do a lot of distressing on my projects. If this is not something that you like, feel free to bypass this step. But you will see me distress on my channel, most of my projects. And now I'm painting over these pine cones that I picked up during my outing with my family about a week ago. And I am just giving it like a snow-covered look, as we will be gluing these pine cones down on top of this little plaque. And there's no rhyme or reason. I just reached in the bag and I just grabbed 3 of these pine cones, and I am applying a generous amount of glue, because this is a heavier, as small as it is and as lightweight as it is, it's heavy for the project that I'm doing. So I made sure that I used the very high temp glue gun. And so now I'm just trying to make sure that it doesn't fall. And it did start to lean, but I'm okay with that because not all trees in a forest or all cones are perfectly or symmetrical. So as you can see, I am just trying to see, because I'm just doing this project as I go. And now I am adding some Mod Podge to this piece, and I will be using some of that white sand that you can find at the Dollar Tree to this piece. And this will act as the snow on the ground. And this is, I actually like using this sand. I also like using Epsom salt for my snow features, as well as cotton in or the little faux snow that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. So any one of those will be an option. And now I'm taking some of these little picks that I found at the Dollar Tree. These were new to my stores this year, so I racked up on them because I thought they were very, very pretty. And they had already given me the wintry vibe. So I knew that I wanted to use those actual picks for this particular project. So guys, I want to admonish you, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to my channel. So now you see me just kind of just playing with the arrangement and, trying to decide how many of the actual petals I want to use for this piece. And I am just eyeing it. There's no rhyme or reason. If you decide to recreate this, then you use whatever florals that float your boat. I have not pulled out all of my winter or Christmassy florals yet. So I probably will do that sometime this week. I'll go by my storage unit and pick up some to craft with, so that I can bring you some Christmas and winter wintry DIYs to the channel. So guys, it's Sunday. How are you doing? I hope that you are having a blessed day, night. Are you watching football? If so, what's your favorite team, or who's your favorite team? I will always root on my home team, but like I stated before in another video, I don't really have a loyal tie to any team. So the Super Bowl is always exciting for me because I'm going to always win, because I am going to win, root for the winning team. So as soon as I see who's in the lead, I'm going for that team, and we'll switch in a minute. No shame in my game. So again, let me bring your attention back to the project. Again, you see I'm just adding that greenery, and now we're moving on to DIY number 2. Of course, I am going to have a project with my name, Joy. So as you know, this is a Christmas piece. I did kind of elevate this piece and just repurpose it or gave it a facelift, because it was just basically the word joy, and it had like gray paper or silver paper. Now I did not want to change the paper background where the faux snow is. I did not do that. I just added some of those, which you will see that coming up. I am using, just for the record, the Snow White Waverly brand chalk paint for all these 2 projects. And now I'm taking some of those beads, those decorative silver beads that you can find at the Dollar Tree. Actually, they're stickers. And I am just putting them on the lettering. So you see I'm just outlining each letter using the beads. And I know you guys are probably like, Joy, why are you doing that with your gloves on? I was just lazy and didn't feel like taking them off and all that good stuff. So I just kept them on and made it do what it do. I just was not feeling it. I was like, I ain't got time. I got to get this up. Because my peeps are waiting on me to give them some content. I was reading y'all minds. And so you saw where I just kind of took the brush and just painted over the beads because my intention was just that, to take away the original design. And I think this turned out amazing. And I am, of course, distressing this piece. So guys, again, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you have yet to do so. And don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload to the channel. And again, don't be afraid to share my videos with your friends, family, and foes. I don't mind. So now you see I have these little fish bowls or these little glass bowls that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I have 2 larger ones and then 1 smaller one. So you will see me do a couple projects using this year. I do, create projects with these every year on the channel. And again, I am using those pine cones that I got during an outing. And that's it for this project. And look at my pine cone forest. I think this turned out really cute. Very simple. Sometimes simple is better. And then here's the joy that I kind of gave the piece a facelift on. Probably could have smoothed out that distressing over the Y, but it is what it is. And then here is the pine cone, the tiered pine cone decor piece. And all I did again was added some of the sand in the base, glued the pine cones in the center, added some of that greenery around it. And I think this turned out cute. Added the bow. Now the bow is optional. You can not add it. And I think adding some fairy lights would have been really pretty with this as well. But guys, again, I hope that you all liked the content. If you did, please make sure you comment and let me know which one of these projects you like the most. Which one will you recreate, if any? And also, please make sure that you're checking out the community tab, because that's where I will be leaving updates about things that's going on in my life or on the channel. Again, guys, thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and make sure, if you do nothing else this week, make sure that you're smiling, because it increases your face value. And just know that you are too blessed to be stressed. Until the next DIY, bye.